Hey everybody, well, it's a beautiful weekend here. This is a Memorial Day weekend, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of work on our access road, and I'll show you what I'm going to be doing. I've got this spot right here that runs not continuously, but it does run a lot in the spring and after a good rain. You can see it's pretty much eroding right here. And it comes right across this road down through here and into a little stream. I guess it's always wet, but it's never really running. A few years ago I put in some drainage tile, and I kept my eye on that for quite a while. If you remember, those of you who have been watching the videos, and it comes out right here. And it runs continuously for the most part. This one goes down pretty deep, about 2 feet, all the way to that little clump of brushy trees there. And it has helped keep this area drier, but obviously it's not enough for heavy runoff. So I got this culvert yesterday. This is a 16-inch by 20 feet. And I'm going to be laying that right across the road here. And I've got some stone that we'll use to embed it with that. So I guess it's time to get to work. Well, folks, that pretty much sums that up for today. You can see we got this put in there, and we got this stone put in. This is some people call it a sure pack. The place I get it from calls it a quarry run. It's really just it's like a gravel stuff with a lot of fines in it, and this stuff packs down just like cement when it gets hard. But I wanted to go over that with the tractor and pack this a little bit. There's not much on the top. There's only very little on the top of the pipe, so I didn't want to put a whole lot of weight. That's why I just used the front of the tractor instead of the rear. Finish this trench here so that the water has some place to go. It should just run out through there. I put a little bit of stone here in the front just to help from the rain, the flow eroding underneath the culvert. I've still got quite a bit of work here to do. Of course, I gotta clean up this mess, and probably once that's gone, I'll finish up with what I got with this pile and get a little more on top. And then I'm going to put down some real coarse rock. We're going to build this up at least a good foot on top of what's already here. When I do this road, I'll lay down some good heavy stone, and then we'll go over the top of that with more of this sure pack. Well, it's supposed to rain tonight, and it's starting to sprinkle now, so hopefully this will hold until I get it completed. I guess I'm going to quit for tonight, and we'll see how things look tomorrow. We'll see you then. Well, everybody, we got this flattened out here pretty good. I'd like to do a little better job in here, but it's a little too wet. I've got to let that dry out some. But I got this bank here all pulled back into here. And the same with this bank, I just pulled it into the road. It's nothing but clay. And anyway, here I just put some little stones just to keep it from washing out underneath the culvert. Didn't have enough little stones to do at the discharge, and I got a few in there, but I'm going to bring in some heavier stone to put on top of this driveway, I guess you could call it. It's just clay. There's no topsoil on this, so I can put stone right on top of it. And we'll go right over our culvert with about a foot of stone. And I did a little bit of work down here. It was pretty rutted up. I just leveled it out and dug out some rock. But I'll be glad to get my stone in here. I guess that's where we're at right now. It's about time to call it a night. I got some rocks over there I gotta take care of, but overall it's looking pretty good. Pretty happy with it.